This is the acrylic divider. Usually it's for pantry table. You can see this is 1.8 by 0.6 meter. It's divided into for 6 person. You can see this is 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person, 5 person, and 6 person. Okay, the height is 600 mm.